Hello, hello, hello. Bhavna Shukla, thanks for your help. What did I help you with, bro? Hi, Shri Ram. Did I help you with something, Avinash? Okay. I am very sleepy today, so probably this is going to be mostly Q&A, chit chat kind of a thing. Bro, don't worry. Eventually, you guys will be able to do. Don't worry about it. Nikhil, yes, you can try, bro. Eventually, if luck is also. Hey Piyush, hey Jatin, Obi, nice to see you guys chatting. Even I had like 9.2 CGPA in end of second year. CGPA, Piyush, you should maintain. I was just reading through your messages. CGPA you should maintain, but yeah, focus on DSA also. So that kind of tells me one thing that you will eventually, and you guys are in starting of your third year, right? Or starting of your second year. Not sure which I heard correctly. So start applying for internship. Probably let's prepare for 2 weeks or 3 weeks DSA, focus on NEET code 150, and then start applying for internships. We don't have to wait for so much time. Okay, 2 to 3, 4 weeks is okay. Vaibhav, hey, hi. Vaibhav, now you can ask me what was the question. This is like a stream that I do every day, right? After 10:30, after my work hours. So I come live at 10:30 and then we do either we do some coding problems or we uh, generally talk, right? I do coding problems also, so let me do that. Uh, You start applying from 1 month. 2 month is okay because it's not like that you will get a call instantly, right? Because you will be applying off campus. If on campus company is coming, uh, that is good, but start applying off campus. Okay. Tomorrow, you both guys should always like including you, Gaurav. So Gaurav, Jatin, Piyush, please participate in tomorrow's contest, right? And try to solve first two and then upsolve third, right? But don't get demotivated. Even if you're able to do, if you're not able to do, feel free to. And if you guys want to support the channel, feel free to become a club member. YouTube gets 50% of it, FYI. I think people did not know that in earlier stream I was telling. This is something that I was not aware of myself. So I thought YouTube is a weird thing, bro. Yes, the question was liking so device send metric to server for analytics to provide LLD design for uploading the metrics from different devices to server. Main focus is on the upload part. So how will you upload part? Right. So what is the data? What is the metric? First question, straightforward. Straightforward question is what is the metric, right? Whether it is a image, whether it is a text, what is the metric, right? Are it just like logs? If it is like logs, you can directly put it in Kafka, right? You upload it to a Kafka server, you have a server, right? You basically upload here is just a API call, if I can think of that way. Yeah, text data, right? So it's just a API call only, right? Upload API calls, that's it. You will have upload endpoint. Now, how you will put it in a now? So this is like a pub sub only, bro. Your upload part is like publishing to the queue. Or probably you can also put it in this way that the third party, like the device, which is a third party, that will just send the data to a queue. And then from that, we will have consumers that will eventually upload it. So your upload could fit in a consumer part or in a device part. But yeah, I think it would fit in a consumer part. So it's like straightforward pub sub, right? Just try asking ChatGPT what it thinks of this. Just copy paste the same question and then ask once to ChatGPT. I feel like it would be more on a pub sub only, right? And upload part is like you get the data. It's basically I think uh, it's pub sub only. Not after uploading the data. I am saying that pub sub will upload the data. So let me deviate from the route. I already have done pub sub, I think, yeah. So what I'm saying is that see, this is your device, publisher. This is your device, right? You can have n devices, and publish is not upload, right? Publish is just device putting in, right? Device sends the metric to server, right? So then I feel like this is a. So what was your answer? What did you answer it? And how did the interviewer react for the question that you asked? But bro, how can we apply for internship? So Piyush, I'll show you how you can apply, right? So make sure your resume is there. So you have a good CGPA. That means that you would have done some projects in class. So in class, it is like how it is. So you have in third year, so you would have a project come theory classes, right? So you would have some project. So go to this. I think you would have watched that video, but you just need to so make sure that your resume is of Jake resume format, right? That's the first thing that I want to clarify it here. You are yes, second year is also fine. Start applying for internship. It is, sir, we are not getting any harm. So thank you to all these members. So your names are coming on the top, guys. Thanks for supporting. But as mentioned, I've kept it for 60 rupees. YouTube takes a major part of it. Now it's just you supporting me, guys, to continue that. So kudos to that. Thank you so much. Now coming to how I want to show you, right? So today itself on the weekend, Piyush, prepare your resume. Make sure your resume is solid, and then you can send it on the channel, and I will review it myself. Okay, that's the first thing that you have to do, right? And in your resume, you will probably have skills, education, your plus two, BTech, and then your projects, and then what else? Your achievements. You can put some certifications. If they are not there, then also it's fine. I have even seen people with half a resume in their second year getting into a good company, so don't worry about that, okay? So now what we have to do next is, right, so let's say you want to get an internship at Google internship, software. So we will make a list of like 200 companies and we are going to try it every day. See, software engineering done summer of this. These kind of things, bro. These are kind of things is what I want to spread exposure about, right? Apply on peership. Like this, not sure if this is a valid website, but there is no harm in applying. We will apply, and I am here to tell you whether this is actually from Google or not. Generally, it should take you to their career portal, but not sure if this is good one. But anyway, that's one way of doing it. We will always go to career portal and then explore the internship every day, right? Yesterday also we did that. Yesterday there was no internships. Probably now also there are none, but it will open eventually. We will look at this portals every day. So just like this, if we have to look for Uber internships. So first of all, those who are in college, right? First, their job is to understand what these companies does. That's the important part of it. Like when I was in college, I didn't even knew what these companies does, right? Uber and all, it is okay to understand. But what about other companies? See, graduate, this is graduate, these are all graduate, but there would be internship opportunities. Like we need to check every day. The software engineering internship, so this is specifically for that. So just like I am doing it, right? So you will do hit and try every day. See, software engineer, this is like a FT opening. If anyone is doing FT, then they can directly look at it. And there might be some website also, but now you have to make a list of close to 300 to 400 companies. And your title to look for is software engineering. Brahmjot, bro, stick to you are in which phase? You are in college or what? You are in which phase? Like, are you in college or are you like pass out? If you're pass out, then I would say it is late for code forces, bro. Focus on lead code, focus on getting, you already have a job. Okay, you're passed out, bro. Then it is too late for code forces, bro. Code forces require a lot of efforts. Yes, Avra, bro, what is your website about? Yeah, Piyush, make sure you have. So in your college, you didn't have any web development subjects, or what subjects did you do for 2 years? But that is okay. I will help you with projects. So for DSA practice, lead code is good. I'm in third year. Good, bro. Uh, how will you upload the logs? Logs are type, but PubSub will come after. I actually said like we can upload via two ways. First, directly full file. There is no point of putting a full like right? Log is a text data, right? So each message becomes a API call. That's what me thinking. Bro, why would you create a file out of a log? Log is just a text, right? So just like we have logs in Splunk and all, those are not files. I think files is completely taking that in a wrong direction. Vaibhav, if you are there, right? Am I thinking it wrong? But that's what I think, bro. You don't have to bring in file concept and whatnot. That is not required. Lokesh, welcome to the channel, bro. Thanks for supporting the channel. Yes, I understood it later. You are right. Yes, yes, bro. So if I ask you this question, right, text and then the once you tell about file, I will directly tell you a hint that okay, maybe think in some other direction, right? Thinking of logs in a file are not right. So thinking of logs in a file, it's like I will think of logs in a Splunk data. So this is a real-time example basically, right? The question is good. Because in real-time life, we have Kibana logs. Like who those who are in college can probably ignore what I'm saying because Kibana and all these are things later. So Kibana will push the logs to Kibana, and log is just like a message. You are sending a message, not a file, nothing, right? So you just send the message to queue. It's just a queue, Kafka queue, right? And then Kibana is built over Elasticsearch. Basically, you use ELK for all of these things. But I have been asked this question practically in one of the companies to build the whole system without using ELK, right? If you use ELK Elasticsearch, right, then the cream of the system is basically gone, right? So you don't have to use that. So that would be my point. What do you think, Vaibhav? What do you think of that approach? Treating the question just like you treat. Uh, yeah, it is on my GitHub, bro. But that is like very simple. This is on my GitHub. So if you go to GitHub, you should be able to see this. This is what I even have a diagram. So simple pub sub, right? So you have a topic and then so this is sending, publishing. So this is like sending the logs to this topic and then you can do whatever you want to do. So basically your message becomes a log. So if I have to sell this, right, I will sell it like this. So instead of calling it a message, do I have a message here? Like, yes, I have this message class, right? I will call it a log. So I will call this a log. If I have to copy paste, right? So if I have to do this, I would call this a log, right? And then again, I would sell it in a more better way. I would add log levels also there so that it will tell the interviewer that, okay, I have knowledge around logging systems, which are really important in the system, right? Hey Brahmajot, what did you message? You don't have to retract your message, bro. I will see your message. You are a member, so I have to see your message. Unless it was a wrong, like you typed it wrong. Do you have any information about new meta? No, bro. No information. Sorry. I am not following that news that much. Jatin OP. Sorry, no information about. I have heard some posts on lead code that sorry LinkedIn that they are not going away. They are going to ask you to use it. But Meta is something. Meta is a company that like relies highly on lead code because they ask questions directly from lead code. That's what I have heard. So there is another portal like Blind. So you guys should always uh, you guys should always follow that. Go to Blind and that you should do that. Hey NFK Prakash, I am not answering to all the questions, bro. I am answering to first I have to answer to member question and then I was talking to Webber from the starting, right? If you think that your message is the only message in the chat, then probably it is going to get skipped, right? So nothing like that. I am not replying to everything. I am only replying to messages that I am already. So Vaibhav, I have been already talking to him. Like he was the first one who joined the live. So and we were already having a conversation. No need to no need to get offended, bro. I am not personally related to anyone in the chat, right? Neither I am personally related to you. So if I'll see your question, read your question, I'll probably reply to your question as well. Yeah, Abhishek led, then you're doing good, bro. I don't see a question there. It's good. Keep going. Venugopal, what do you need, bro? No worries, Piyush, no worries, bro. I'll tell you. I'll tell you around things how you can build dev projects. I'll probably tell you on the channel. Don't worry about that. Your resume will have couple of projects in next 2 to 3 months. Bro, I'm not just answering the people with a membership. Vaibhav Agarwal doesn't have a membership. Basically, other than membership, who is asking, then I answer, right? So I wanted to know how much time I should invest to get into PBC. Bro, Venugopal, getting into PBC, uh, is it worth it or not? That is something that I can tell you how much you can get based on your experience if you get into really good company or if you get into average company. Now, whether if it is worth or not, that is for you, bro. Like that is for you to decide. So that is for you to decide. It's like I can tell you, I can open the cards there and I can explain you how to get into and all of those things. But if it is worth your time, that's something that you have to kind of think on that. Like for me, it is definitely worth it. Like I'm really grateful and fortunate enough that I'm here today, right? So, and coming to your how much time, like when I was switching, I was preparing for around 6 to 8 hours every day. Uh, so 6 hours every day you need to uh, bring in like 2 in the morning and probably 2 in the night and 4 hours you can say on the weekdays and 6 to 8 hours on the weekends. From next week I will be very oh nice, nice, bro. Your work is starting, right? Congratulations. Bro, Lokesh, planning is to put tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm like I haven't created a video, but not sure when I will create that. Today was a busy day, so did not get a chance to create. Vaibhav, just one more question. How did you practice for HLD? Like know all the concept but still struggle with. Bro, for HLD I practiced a lot, bro. Like for example, if you have to tell you, right, all the designs, the systems you LXU book, I have read it 10 times. I've done most of the things, bro, 10 times. DSA 10 times. Uh, and then system design books read 10 times. Solved like URL, everything 10 times. So that the concepts are here like your second nature. If you say that, okay, Jagrat, we have to do something parallel, Q will come to my mind. If you say that, Jagrat, there is no time constraint, like I will say that, okay, asynchronous. If you say that, okay, there is a bottleneck on the read, right, I will split the service. If you say that, what else? Then we'll put in a cache. So what else? We'll put in a CDN. Uh, so these things. Now, what if your write is Heavy, right? How would you scale? Partition the DB. How would you partition the DB? Use different partition key. On what basis you would decide which partition key to use, right? Then I will give you three approaches. Either you can use user ID, which will lead to celebrity problem, or I can give you a epoch approach, which will not lead to celebrity problem, but you will have to do pre-computing, which will be heavy, right? Because now your data is not just in one of the shards, right? It's spread based on the time. So if I have to find the data of different users, I have to query different shards. Now, if let's say your data is very big, right? You are building a bank or something, you would do purging, right? Purging is important because whenever so SBI Bank, all the banks does the purging, right? What I want to say is that you read it so many times that it becomes very easy to. Just like you speak English so many times, it becomes easy to you, right? You speak your mother language so many times that you don't need to practice it anymore. Do the same thing to software engineering, right? Learn different concepts. Just like think of it like you are in a school again. That's why, like if you think of top, so I saw a post from distinguished engineer at Google, right? If you like college students might not know what is distinguished engineer means. So this is the level of software engineering ladder. So distinguished engineer is like you can say godfather of engineering, right? Even after principal, and then comes fellow. So company fellow. So even the distinguished engineer, what he said was that learning is the only thing constant in software engineering field. That's it. You have to learn every day, bro. It's not like that. You can relax. Like when I was in Cisco, I was chilling only. I never learned. So you can relax. That's fine. How can I start? How can I can? Hey, welcome to the channel, Vaibhav. System design book, Jay Chabra. Yeah, Redis is really good. Bro, this is why. See, like I know that some might say that okay, top mate, people are charging money, but if you find people genuine on that, right? Like when I was looking out, there is a top mate bot also. So lead code, Sambit. I would choose lead code. So um, so I gave more than 20 mocks, bro. So and I booked all from top mate. So and then when it comes to notes, I did prepare some notes, bro. I can share that with you guys. But those are not heavy. Like, see, there, like this LXU book, I have read it so many times that now I can read the whole book in 4 to 5 hours. So if there was an interview tomorrow for HLD, then I would just revise it again. So it's like that, right? Like once you need a novel so many times that then you are just scrolling through it, right? So that's what I used to do for that. Now, coming to your second question on the mocks thing, right? So when I was preparing last year, right? Last year around this time only I started my prep journey. So I went to Tomit and I found a lot of people like charging 2,000, 3,000 for 1 hour, right? That is not acceptable. But then I found a really good guy, like senior software engineer at Microsoft itself. He used to charge around 300 for a mock interview. So I booked like 20 to 30 mocks with him. Like what amount it is? Like 20 into 300, that becomes like 6,000, right? So more than this, we used to pay tuition in our 11th and 12th. That's the same thing, right? You guys would like in the chat, if we have like 10 people, out of those 80% would have gone to tuition in 11th and 12th. So we used to pay 1,000 or 2,000, right? So consider it, guys, the same thing, right? So like I just want to tell you that how you guys can use the technology in your favor, right? So that really helped me, right? Mock interviews. I gave so many, now I take so many mock interviews. So if you go to my topmate itself, you can see on my topmate, took couple of mock interviews. So, and also like I have taken DSA mock interviews, then I have taken 2 to 3 HLD mock interviews. So there is testimonial like, see, this is mock interview, right? So yeah, mock interviews are really helpful, but don't pay like crazy money, right? If you find my that also expensive, don't book with me. I would say like straightforward. No need to find someone better than me and cheaper than me. That is what I would suggest you guys. Sambit bro, lead code. Lead code is one of the best portal. You don't need to go to anything else. Jay Chabra, I prefer system. Bro, where I prepare for systems and Devansh Matania, you can go to this link, bro. This has everything around system design. Not this. This. These are like really good, cool resources. If someone is any new, like if you guys are in college also, right? I would just say you guys that whenever you are free, like try to read some chapters of it. Like read this chapter by chapter and you will really understand things. Or even if let's say you don't want to read this, just think of it that how would you design WhatsApp? This will open your eyes a lot. These things, right? Just do that, like do that for fun. You watch Netflix also, right? Just do that. Or go to this Hello Interviews channel and then watch some of its video. That is also really good. A lot of these guys have done so much effort in creating that. So, cool guys. If you guys like my stream, like, please feel free to hit this like. It's not a habit of people to like, so I have my interview scheduled for Amazon HD2 in coming week. Yes, bro. So you have cleared their online assessment, OA. So your first round will be DSA, second round will be LLD, third round will be HLD, and then you'll have hiring manager. If you do very bad in DSA and LLD, then it's going to be tough. That's the thing. But now let's say, so DSA, like like famous topics are heap, graph, DP, um, maybe harder version of sliding window, but priority queue and graph and trees, I think Amazon really loves that. And leadership principles, right? So in every interview, you will get a coding question or a LLD question, but plus you will get LP. So Amazon has like 10 to 12 LPs. So make sure that you have your scenarios ready. Right. I can ask you one question straight away that tell me a scenario where you went above and beyond for your customer. So that is straightforward relating to customer obsession. This is which is like the first LP leadership principle, right? Sheesh Patel, bro, I have read your question. Bro, how to revise old topic because after bro Shrish Patel, you are new to the channel that I can tell you because I have the video exactly on the same thing. Probably you have not watched that video, but if you go to this video, let me open it on the new tab. I will myself show you that section, exact same section. Okay, so instead of doing this, right, I can, if you guys go to my website, I'll not call it a website, but yeah, resources page. If you go to resources page and then go to all my Excaliburs, right, click on that, will just replace the, you will see something like this. This is something that will come on your tab. Now, if you see, I solved this 3000 coding problems. In this, I have clearly explained that this is the most important step of revise what you learned. Like, and also revise every week, right? Every week. Make it a day, right? So now you guys know there is a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Why not you call it like DP day, graph day, sliding window day, two pointers day, tree day. So from going forward, now you don't have a Thursday, you have a tree day. So basically on tree day, you have to revise the tree problems that you have solved. That's the only way to remember things. Just like you hit bench press every week in the gym, you have to do how many times you do bench press if you have to build a body. You do it every week. Same exercise, right? So you have to solve same algorithms. Problem could be different, but you have to revise sliding window. You have to revise other things. where I shared you, bro, I don't have my phone right away. Can you please explain how to scale a website based on a demand? Bro, lot of things nowadays it is really easy. Basically, you will increase your instances and whatnot. So whichever cloud you are using, probably you might be using AWS or whatnot. So there are a lot of various approaches, right? You would scale like horizontally, different ways. Brahmajyoti. This question is like it depends. It could be wide horizon. AWS, you increase the instant of it, bro. So make sure that your services are serverless, and then you increase. So it has the scale out auto scale option. AWS has auto scale option. Bro, LLD, I think I have already shared, bro. But I don't have like nodes handy. It's like scattered node for HLD. But for LLD, I think yes, definitely I will share. Give me some time. So these are my notes for LLD. I don't go beyond this. You need to know oops. You need to know UML relations, solid principles, and these design pattern. That's it, bro. These are my notes for LLD. Like whenever I like 15 minutes before my interviews, I used to just read this so that they are in the cache of my strong. Yes, Lokesh, that's the point, bro. That's how I've explained in the video also. So in this video, right, I've clearly explained it in that manner only. No one is born genius, guys. I like that's what I used to feel when I was in college. That okay, that guy might be really genius that he is now working at XYZ company. No one is genius, bro. Everyone is working hard. Like today, I had a top mid session with a really good guy, like a really nice guy, and he's also preparing. So I told him the same thing, right? You and me are not different. It's just that last year I was spending 8 hours to 10 hours every day studying. So God has given me the fruit of this, right? There are tons of people who haven't really received the fruit, but if we should not care about the fruit, we should only care about the things that are in our control, right? So yes, you should always think of it like every day, make sure you have a topic and then spend like 1 hour, 2 hours revising that and then participate in contest. All of these things are important, not just this last part. But this is the crux. Hello, Vaibhav. So this is a new Vaibhav, I feel. Vaibhav, you are not this Vaibhav, right? So we have two Vaibhavs in the chat. Shubham, hi. Hello, I'm software engineer in TCS. For now, I'm doing DSA, but still, like, hold on. Bro, Android development, bro. I also have the same model, ARM216. So is it like 70,000? I also bought the same last year, but bro, Android always in Android development. Android development, right? So when I was in college, I had a Air, but that was like 2017 model, okay? So that was like 2017 model. Shubham, you are listening to the chat, right? Otherwise, there is no point. Hey, Vaibhav, welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome. Bro, I am already out of referrals, bro. I have referred a lot of people. So Shubham, what I was saying is, bro, Mac is something that you should just search on YouTube or maybe Reddit, that how people are using it for Android. I personally haven't used it. But coming to your brainstorming and approaching the problem, right? You should definitely try this. Watch this video and then try to solve based on the rating, bro. It's like I say this a lot of times, but you are new to the channel, so I have to create a video on this. A lot of people say that please create a video, but again, guys, not getting so much time. Uh, really hectic these days. But this is the best way to solve problem, guys. Like I have put it here, best way to solve unseen problems by rating, right? So in lead code, it is only easy, medium, hard, bro. The medium problem could range from 1200 to 2000. If my rating is 1200 and I pick a problem that is 2000 rated, then basically I'm kind of doing injustice to myself, right? That is something that is missing in today's thing. So, bro, you can Vaibhav Agarwal, bro, you can go to TopMed, bro. There is a really nice, crazy website that they have created with like you can go to this. See, guys, this is how AI is helpful. This website has been created in like 2 minutes. And these are all the testimonials. Had a great chat with Jagrit. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So this is if you want to do a mock interviews and all, you can go to this and you can book. But by no means I am not promoting anything. Okay, guys, don't feel like I am promoting this. Not at all. If you have a one-line question, you don't have anything to discuss for 30 minutes, don't ever think about TopMate. You can either come to this stream and then ask a question, or bro, it is like whichever slot is available. If you, let's say, you want to do a mock, right? Then all the slots I have only opened myself, right? So any slot, but just don't book for three. Three, I already have a meeting. I'll probably reduce this. Three, I don't want. Like I did not know, but all of the other slot, right? Whichever you find suitable to you. But just don't book for three, okay? Otherwise, I have some other plans for like with you only. You are also member of channel, right? So we have a channel meeting tomorrow at 3. So just don't book for 3. Ashubham, thank you so much, bro. Thanks for hey Rohit, hey Peel the Code, hey Vaibhav Dole. Hey, I want to get your advice. I completed DSA and development. Bro, completed DSA is a wrong statement to say. First of all, you are in college, you might be a student, so there is nothing like completed DSA. So, but if you have already done DSA and development, bro, why you want to go to data analytics? You should go for a software engineer role, right? Software engineer is a bigger picture, bro. Software engineers can do lot of things. So software engineer might be writing data pipelines. He might be doing DevOps. He might be doing AI work. Everything. They might be doing lot of things. Various, bro. It depends on the tech stack, Rohit Gupta. So it's not one tech stack, bro. It varies. Mostly C sharp. Mostly C sharp. Given damn it, bro. Why this came in on this page also? By the end of this month. 2, no, 3 yes. I have to learn it. No, 3S is good, bro. It is a graph library. I know. It's a UI graph library. I have. So I have used it in one of the project where there was a requirement to show the graph on the UI. It is a graph thing, right? 3JS graph UI library. I think so. Is it not? Is it something else? Oh, it's a graph, right? Yes, yes. You can do that, bro. You can do that. There are some other libraries also like NeoVis. See this NeoVis. Try to explore these also. And then there are other tools also. I have used it. 3D library basically, yeah. Yes, Shobhash Bhattachi, you can do that. Bro, tell me how to start coding, please. Shubham, this is for you, bro. I will tell you in 15 minutes. That is a good section, bro. Vaibhav, I have not created any LLD approaches, bro. Like I have not created any video on HLD as of now. My target is to do HLD and LLD. Do I have any video on LLD? HLD? No, bro, I don't have that. But I can probably answer in our one-on-one. I can give a detailed overview in an answer one. But Jay Shabra, tell me, bro. So now, this is for Vaibhav, right? I am waiting, like he is waiting from a long time. So here you go, Vaibhav. So just watch this once. Brahmajot, you have plenty of time, bro. You will easily do that. Uh, Narot, Narottam Sharma, same thing is applicable for you also. You can just watch this video that will teach you. Bro, what to do after NEET code 150? Aditya Kulkarni, lead code, contest, virtually and live both. Dear ex-emperor, hey brother. The data engineer full roadmap. Is it what the ask is? Full code. Bro, I am not a data engineer. Not a data engineer. But what I know is you should have strong hand on MySQL queries. So it so the role shifted, right? I never got a recruiter drill, Rohit Gupta. I already applied on a career portal. I have never pinged a recruiter first. Yes, yes, bro. I am planning to create HLD videos. I am planning to create HLD series, bro. Uh, don't waste your life. Okay. Sure, brother. Emperor, it is my habit, bro. So sometimes, no, no, bro, it is not serious. All my Excali links are here, bro. Here. Wherever, bro, if you go to now YouTube members post, you will see a link. You can join that. It will be mostly intro, bro. Nothing special. Uh, so I kept it for 60 rupees, thinking like that's like the minimum. But I did not know that 50% goes to YouTube. So it will be just, but thanks to all of these people. But it's a good community. We'll discuss, bro. We'll discuss goals and all. We'll discuss goals and all. Will and however I can help you, I'll do my best to help you guys. Yeah, bro, it is allowed, Abhinit Chauhan. Like you can get a referral from SD Google, right? They will refer you. How many topic? Everything in NEET Code 150 you need to know. Everything. And also, if someone is in college, right? I just want you guys to think about how this works. This page itself, right? There would be like team of 10 members working on this page. Someone would be designing this section of it. Someone would be designing this section of it. So if I click on this, there might be a API call, maybe not just for this, but once I do this, there would be a API call going to the backend. Backend would be returning the data. This all the thumbnails. There is all this all is software engineering, guys. Try to think of all of these things. That is just this, bro. These two things. This is what you are saying, linked list, right? But I'm talking about all the other features, right? So this, when I click on this, how this is coming, how this data is coming, this is all not linked list. At least I would not think. Yeah, yeah, Piyush, that's what I will do, bro. Oh, nice. So, yeah, and then people say that DSA is not important. DSA is really important, bro. Piyush, that is a good idea, bro. That is something that I'm going to do. No, no, bro, there is no new membership coming. No, no, bro. My only aim to tell was that you guys should think in that brain, right? When I was in college, I never used to think like that. Like, what is this? I was on YouTube all the time. Even when I in 2015, 2013, we were chatting with lot of different people on our Instagram, Facebook. Back then, Instagram did not have a chat functionality. There was an Insta DM. So, but never thought how it basically works, right? Is your in your shot? Is it? Yes, bro. It is mine. It's not like that I go to someone's house and make the video, right? There is no point of that. Yeah, not just gotta do, bro. You have to gotta think. That's it. If you think in that horizon, you have already done enough. There is a saying, right, that if you start thinking about something and then it is already half done, right? So even in DSA problem, if you have, where how is your weekend? Very packed, bro. Happy Rakhi to everyone. Uh, Happy Rakhi to everyone. Hope you had a good family time. Bro, 60 rupees is the membership, bro. That too per month. And 50% YouTube takes. So 60 rupees per month, 50% YouTube, 30 rupees per month. I can give for 10 members. This is a crying emoji or this is a laughing emoji? Is this a laughing or it looks like a crying emoji? Or it doesn't look like a laughing emoji? What it is? Is it a laughing? This is a laughing. No, it's a crying only. This is a laughing. This is a crying. Right? Yeah, this is a crying. This is a high. This is game over. So this is good one, bro. This one, bro. This is good one. This afraid face. Still, you do DSA live stream, bro. It's like fun live stream. But yeah, that's okay. Really easy problem. But that's what you would expect from how is my answer one for this? Oh, I need two balloons at least, right? Yeah, yeah, bro. Lokesh, I'm here, bro. Bro, you can see me submitting the code, right? Who is submitting the code, Lokesh? What do you think? Is it like a ghost? Bro, let me give you another tip, right? This is probably for those who are like working professionals, right? Make sure you guys have a proper posture, bro. If you guys buy this, this would be your best investment. This is like the best chair out there. This is not a promotional thing, but believe me, this is like the best chair. Where is it? T series? Is it Ultimate T? This chair. This one. This one. I know this is 18,000, but one of the best chair out there. You can sit on this like for 12 hours continuous. You will no feel no pain. Really good player. Buy this. And green soul standing desk. These two things. So probably whenever you get an internship, you start earning good money, right? It will cost you around 30,000, but that 30,000 will be worth it, okay? I do it in Python. Yeah, Python is okay, bro. Yeah, bro. For CP, it is CP, I would say C++ is the best language, period. There is no other good language because if you really want to become a really good competitive programmer, right, you have to have a top-notch speed, right? Because your speed is going to be a factor in what rating you get. So are you asking me, Piyush? Nowadays I don't do hard questions, bro. Nowadays I do just chill questions. So like the first two of because I am not see, I can do two things. I have two options. Either I can go to not doing DSA at all, like I did after I got a job earlier, or I can have fun and do some small questions like this easy questions. So I'm doing easy questions, but that you should not do, right? I am in a good stage of my life. Um, so I can do whatever I want to do, but you guys should study hard, solve hard questions. Oh my God. Is it that bad, bro, Emperor Python? People do use Python also for competitive programming. Some people use. Is it like no one uses? It's like no one uses that Python, or some people use. What should be the timing of a, in the best case scenario, four questions solved in like less than 15 minutes. That would be the rating. So they would probably take 1 minute for A. I have personally seen that, right? And 2 minutes for B, 2 minutes for C, and then 5 to 7 minutes for D. You guys can follow, like if someone does coding in Java, they can look up UV. If you guys look at, even we can look at the rating of this, right? Ranking. There would be some guy who would have solved this in 10 minutes, 16 minutes. So it's like that he's also has done in a Python only 16 minutes. But this is like a 7 rated problem. Generally, it is a 6 rated, so 15 minutes. Alex Weiss, he is also a really good guy. Like he is also a good. Neil Wu is there. Neil Wu, right? I think this someone was saying this is brother of Scott Wu, right? So this UV is what I was mentioning. UV does it in Java. If you see his questions, these are in Java. This I don't want to see. But yeah, he is the only programmer at my time I used to see in Java. You see, out of these, first, if we take like, let's take first 10. First 10, only one Java, four Python, and then six C++. That's a good number of people are doing in Python. And then if you go down, I think C++ and Python are okay. But again, I would not call this competitive programming. Competitive programming is like more on code forces. This is like a easier competitive programming. But yeah, C++ Python has a good mix. There is nowhere Java. Only one person does Java. See, on this page, no Java at all. C and Python are both good in a way that they both have small syntax, right? So that is helpful in competitive programming. Vaibhav Agarwal, there were so many things, bro. So many things to choose from. Brahmajot, you are just starting out, right? Let's say that you do this for 10 years. You did DSA for 10 years. Then will you still think that you will take 60 minutes? No, right? It's just that it's the same amount of time, right, that you have to give. Vaibhav, so many reasons were there. Probably this is again a one-on-one question, bro. So many reasons were there. Uh, and Microsoft is a great company. I'm really happy that I made that choice. Yes, yes, Java helps. Saurav Kumar Singh, bro, everyone is struggling with the same problem. So the answer to that problem is in this. So you should probably watch this. How does career graph looks in Microsoft? It depends, bro. Yeah, yeah, Vaibhav Agarwal. See you tomorrow, bro. This I've done, bro. This is a easy question. So basically, you have to reverse whenever you can just put this whole thing in a string buffer, use string buffer reverse, and then put it back. So you have you love, and then once your I closes, so then I love you. Basically, you change the whole thing, right? This I have seen. So it would be like U E U E O V L I, and then I L O V EU, right? It's a easy question, not gonna solve this. You can just use with string buffer. I have solved this recently in with my other with my other account, I think. Let's move to the third one. This is a really easy question. Just use stack and string buffer. Stack and string buffer, right? Easy question. The only thing, Brahmajot, in this question that you have asked is that you are passed out. Just like me. I came to know about ICPC when I passed out. ICPC is like legendary things. If again someone is in starting year of the college, learn about ICPC and try to be one who participates in that, right? That's like really good challenge to your mind and all. And rest of the information uh, Emperor will provide in the chat. Yeah, the only why do you think it is heavily dominated by them? Because they start early, right? That's the only thing that I can think of. Oh, that's nice. How is the startup culture in IIT? You are from IIT Guwahati, right? Emperor, how is the startup culture there? Have any of the your seniors have they founded startup? I've heard that startup culture of IIT BHU is really good. How is the startup culture there? Have someone opened their own startup? And how is like uh, placement would be okay in IIT? You are in third year, right, Emperor? So you are going to sit in placements probably in next month or this month, right? Or have you already cracked some placement? No, I'm saying like startup like Zomato. So if you have heard of Move in Sync, companies like these, right? This is a startup of IIT BHU person, Move in Sync. So how is the internship? Are the companies coming for internships? There would be, right? You are appearing in those. Let us know if anything other than DSA is coming up, right? So it would be helpful for people in the stream, and I can update my knowledge also. Uh, Feel free to like the stream, guys. Whoever is there in the chat, this is the like button. We have now 21 likes. Feel free to like it. I think Vaibhav went away from the chat, but Vaibhav, you have to join a channel. Probably how? Probably I can post it again in the chat. Narottam Sharma. Cluely guy is the one who built the website to cheat. You like why Emperor bro? Why you are not applying? Are not good companies coming or what is the reason? Like do you really want to go to some specific company? Bro, 1 lakh per month is like okay now. It's not like it's not like great. Most of the companies pay for 1.5. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Uber. Uber pays like 1.8 for internship. 1 lakh you will easily get based on your HFTs will pay more, close to 4 lakhs, bro. You are saying minimum 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So company like Microsoft, Google, Uber, almost all the top notch FAANG level Adobe, these all will pay you more than 1 lakh. So maybe this is like a latest news. I have friends working in like studying in IIT BHU, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, uh, and Triple IT. All of these companies are coming there for people in third year for internships. Yeah, D show is also good. Yeah, HFT are crazy good. D-Show is good, bro. D-Show is good. Jan Street. What is Jan Street? So given an integer array and an integer k, modify the array by repeating it. Yeah, HFT is like that only, bro. Do you think if someone is paying you 5 lakhs per month, do you think if someone is paying like 5 lakhs per month, they will give you life also? No, right? Not at all. They will not give you life. And also, you should not have the aim for life at that point of time, at least for first 2 years. First 2 years work in HFT on good, they will have base around 50, 60. Yes, yes, bro. That is good. But I am like little doubtful of the stipend that you said. That stipend is not of HFT. 1 lakh is not of HFT. HFT pays more than 3. Tech code, bro, we will see if it does down the line. As of now, I don't think so, but down the line, if it say, then I will start a dancing class. We will go from DSA to dance. Nice, nice, bro. Yeah, Shabda, nice website, bro. Nice. Revise, bro. Revise Devansh Verma. That's the only thing. Emperor, what are top 7 IITs? Oh, don't think, bro. Then this is demotivating you. Which don't think like that, bro. Emperor is messing now. JJK, okay, alas, your core subjects are mentoring. No, no, you don't have to, like, these are mandatory. Your basics should be clear, bro. So, DSA, DBMS, if you're in college, right? Operating system, DSA, DBMS, operating system, CN. All three, all four are important. So, that is JJK for you, bro. And what is your second question? Four questions I have answered. You have only asked one question, bro. Your other questions went way atop. And Then this is easy question, bro. This is like a standing. I have solved it from my other. I just said you right. This is easy, bro. Stack, string buffer, and stack. Web dev, no one will ask. How to leave dependency on LLMs. Like, first of all, you do DSA, right? DSA do yourself. It will automatically leave. But for some things you should not. You should leverage LLMs. OFN, I don't really know, bro. I have also. This will probably OFN answer. OFN, no idea. Tech code, how to connect with you, bro. So you go to this and then you see here. You'll see all my links here. You can find all my links here. Feel free to hit this like button if you find the stream helpful. Oh, nice, bro. That's it. Vavesh. Let's go, brother. 9 day 9 consistent on lead code. Thank you, bro. Give thanks to yourself, bro. I am just okay. IIT Bombay, Delhi, Kharagpur, IIT Guwahati. Bro, BHU you didn't even mention. BHU is like top. IIT Roorkee and Kanpur, that's okay. BHU is top. Like, and Madras also you didn't mention. What temporal? So let's search top IITs in India. Okay, IIT is in India only, right? 2025. Less. So IIT Delhi, IIT Madras is nowadays top, right? That is true. Delhi, Bombay, Kharagpur, BHU is not there. Guwahati is good. Where is BHU? BHU is not good then. Is my knowledge is my knowledge wrong then? IIT BHU here it is there. Let's like search top engineering colleges in India ranking, which is like a good website that gives you ranking. NRF, right? Let's see NRF ranking. Madras is top, Delhi is second, Bombay is third. Even they put this Vellore here in like, is it really true this Vellore, this National Institute of Ranking, this Vellore is it really true? This is BHU. After BHU they have put VIT. But see the difference of number like this 20, 30. NIRF is bullshit, okay. Which is good website then? You tell me, I don't know. I just need a website that would rank colleges. Yeah, I agree, Temporal. Even I myself don't believe it. But some would be like honest website, right? There is no honest website. Any honest website. Go to YouTube, bro. Go to Viz Place. Go to Viz Place. Go to YouTube, bro. Bro, Mohit Singh, no, bro. I am from VIT Vellore. Bro, go to this like sales for internship. Let's see. I feel like a lot of people create videos around that also. They just tell that these companies are hiring, these companies are hiring. There are a lot of channels on the YouTube. Internship, no results. Let's get rid of this and then search internship. They might open sometimes, bro. It is not like that. It is not always there. These are some other internship sales you don't really need. Solutions engineering you don't really need. I don't think currently they have any opening. But yeah, your job would be to come and look here every day, probably. Software engineer, let's see what happens. These are all employee type, intern. Solution engineering, they are hiring. But yeah, similarly, like solution engineering, right? You should look at every day. Some will solution engineering to software engineering, sometimes it will open. And then try to get a referral and then apply. Raghav, bro, I am from VIT, bro. VIT Vellore. Okay. Last year IIT cut off. Is this good website? Emperor, what was your rank, bro? This is like very weird. I cannot understand all this. But yeah, anyway, bro, it is fine. Any college is fine. Okay, couple of minutes more and then I'll end the stream, guys. We have been can't trust also college dunya. Okay, okay. Raghav, damn. Do you like is it a hate to VIT or is it a hate to Microsoft? I did not understand your comment, Raghav. Raghav. No, bro. But like heavily on code forces, relying on code forces. I have not given coordination interview. But coordination does come to VIT Vellore, I think, in second year. Yes, yes, bro. In all the companies, like we go through the resumes and whatnot. Hate towards VIT is like a crazy college, bro. Crazy good when it comes to uh, your jobs. All the companies come there, like from uh, Zomato, Amazon, all of these companies. Like it's a really good thing. I personally didn't have a really great college experience, but it is a really good college when it comes to placements. Other aspects not so good, but bro, any tips for dev? Bro, go and then look for Traversy Media channel. That is really good. Okay, cool guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you guys tomorrow. Study hard, work hard. Uh, Crushing Bhavesh. Really good, bro. Really good progress. And Piyush, don't think like that, bro. You have not done anything. You have done enough. Don't think like that. Cool guys. All the best. Take care. Have a nice day. Feel free to give. Uh, Bro, I did not get placed in that year, bro. What Raghav? You are like now doubting me also now. That was dream year for placement. Today I cracked Microsoft last year, bro. Last year it was the recession time. But bro, you are negative person. Don't be negative in your life. Yeah, Bhavesh, don't worry about it. All the tier 3 popper do that. Not top 75 blind, but I do prefer neat code 150. Bhave, Mohit Singh, bro, as of now I'm out of referrals, but I can guide you how you